Welcome everyone. I'm trying to shoot a video of all this bird that's flying over the backyard and eating the bread and the rice that we left out there. It's amazing. So many birds that coming over and there's feet surrounding the bird feeder on the backyard. And I thought, hey, this could make another great video to share with everybody in the whole world. Um, let me step outside and see if I can get a better view of the... All right. So let's see if I can get a better video of all this bird that's been coming out to eat the rice and the bread that we left out there. Wow, this is nice. Very, very nice. All right, let me see if I can find a shady spot to sit and do this. Yeah, this is Manny's backyard. I'm just coming over. We're gonna get ready to go fishing at Chesapeake Beach. And we just finished lunch. And then as I was sitting inside eating lunch, and I saw, wow, there's a lot of birds flying out here in the backyard. And of course, my instinct is to snatch up my phone and put it on the video recording mode, and so I can capture all of these wonderful, wonderful birds flooding throughout to Manny's backyard. Look at that. Wow. Oh, they also have hủ hoa. I'm gonna go there and show you guys the hủ hoa, dạng hủ hoa, like a bitter melon. Let's see. Here we go with a yellow flower. It's beautiful. Oh, we got a bird. Oh, they're not even afraid. That's amazing. They're not even afraid. You see that beautiful yellow flower up there? Oh, wow. That's going to become one of the bitter melon fruits. And they also have the squash. Look at the squash. Wow. We got 2 fruit right now. But all the yellow flowers gonna turn into fruit later on. So wow. I guess this is another virtual tour of a different garden. The one that I post last time was from my own garden, and this one is from Manny's place. And this is the backyard of his place. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? Those are beautiful, beautiful melon. We Asian make soup or stir fry with garlic, and it's yummy, delicious. And very healthy too. Very healthy vegetable. Luckily, there's a shade, nice shade here. Otherwise, I wouldn't want to be out here at all. Oh wow. Okay, let's see. Nice melon. See if I can get a close-up shot of it. There we go. And see. So, wow, they have more than one melon. If you look at the whole rack from the distance, you can see it's a lot. It's a lot. And let me see. This, wow. So this is the front of the house. This is the front of Manny's place. They have lemongrass too. Cool. They have a whole bunch of lemongrass, just like from my place, from the previous video. Chrysanthemum. Those are chrysanthemum. And this is a fig tree. It gave like a purplish color fruit, but it tastes very sweet inside. And here they have all this pepper tree in a cage, just like a chicken coops. Wow, that's amazing. These are all pepper tree. You can see all the pepper in there. Oh wow. That's just that is so cool. I guess a lot of birds eat them and squirrel, and that's why they try to protect and build this cage. And we have rau mồng tơi. Again, this is a very popular Asian or Vietnamese vegetable. A lot of people make soup out of this. Rau mồng tơi was one of my favorites. Oh wow. I guess Asian love to grow fruit and vegetable around their house, which is very, sustainable, kind of like farmer. Grow your own food. It's a very good for environment. So wow, very nice. I believe these are the lime tree. They have a couple of lime tree. Oh my God, the sun is out. It's hot. Whew. Better get inside the shades. Some purple flower here, and a beautiful, beautiful pink kind of flower. But yeah, so that's the front of the house, and nice, beautiful flower right here. And these are the whole neighborhoods. It's very quiet because it's in a cul-de-sac, so it's very nice and quiet. A lot of people live here for many years. They must love the area. There's an old couple across the street, and there's a family of 2 children over here, and I believe they live here for like over 30 years. But yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. The sun is really coming out now, and oh my, this is bạc hà, Asian celery. Beautiful, isn't it? So green and so luscious. I don't know what they use for fertilize, but it's really it's beautiful. See if there's any more birds before I getting ready to head out to Chesapeake Beach for fishing. So there we go, more melon, and see. Wow. I'm gonna go back here. Oh, see all the birds? And that's a persimmon tree. And it feels so nice under the shades, actually. Ooh. Turned out to be a hot day, even though it's September. Oh wow, look at that. See if I can zoom in the bird. Oh, they're just everywhere. The birds are just everywhere. Oh well. Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed the video. Again, just want to share this wonderful, things that I see every day. places that I go and things that I see every day with everyone out there. Um, Hopefully, we inspire everyone to get out of their house more often, um, to uh, to see what the world has out there. Um, Life is wonderful, wonderful and beautiful. If you only see it through the eye of an artist. So there you have it. Until next time, have a great one, everyone. God bless. I just love the sound of the birds. It's just like a symphony orchestra in the right in the back of your yard. I love it. I just love it. Bye bye, bird. Bye bye.